Right, here we are given that f of x is equal to square root of x plus 4 over x squared. All we need to do is we must find f dash, and we must also find f dash dash. This means the second derivative. So here we are having our f of x is equals to square root of x plus 4 over x squared, which now implies there, here we have a square root, we must take care of it, and here we also have x squared on the denominator, so we must take it to the numerator, which means here f of x is equals to x to the power half, that's your square root, plus 4x to the power minus 2. Then from there we differentiate, which means f dash of x equals to, here it will be half x to the power to the power half minus 1, plus here I'll drop minus 2 to be 4 into minus 2, x to the power minus 2 minus 1, which now means here f dash of x is equals to 1 over 2 x to the power minus half minus 8 x to the power minus 3. Here we have the differentiation is done, but here we have negative exponents. We must take them to the denominator, which means it will be 1 over 2 x to the power half. It becomes positive half, but since it's positive half, we can also write it as a square root, minus 8 over x cubed. This becomes the first derivative. So we now want to find the second derivative, f dash dash. All we have to do now is we must coming back, remember we are saying f dash of x is equals to, for now we cannot write this one, we are going to use this part because it's the one that is ready for differentiation. And remember, this is the same as that, which means it will be 1 over 2 x to the power minus half minus 8 x to the power minus 3. Differentiating now for the second time, it will be now f dash dash of x is equals to, differentiating this one, it now becomes half will drop down here, which means it will be minus half multiplied by 1 over 2 x to the power minus half minus 1 minus 8 into minus 3 multiplied by x to the power minus 3 minus 1, which is equals to, in this case we are having minus half times half, that is minus 1 over 4 x to the power minus 3 over 2 minus 8 times 3, that is plus 24 x to the power minus 4. Taking these exponents to the denominator, everything there, which means it will be minus 1, that's what will be left with in the numerator, over 4x to the power 3 over 2 plus 24 over x to the power 4. That becomes our final answer. Thank you so much. Bless you.